Every fertile field begins as untouched land, waiting for a new purpose. The transformation starts with understanding the land. Healthy harvests depend on healthy soil. Careful planning shapes every successful harvest. Years of neglect disappear one machine at a time. Clearing the land prepares the foundation for new life. The land is carefully shaped for efficient farming. Water will soon become the heart of these fields. Reliable irrigation is the key to sustainable rice production.
The first chapter ends as order replaces abandonment.
Every field must receive water with perfect precision. Controlled water flow determines the success of every harvest. Modern farming begins with reliable access. Perfectly level fields ensure every seed receives equal care. The soil is awakened after years of silence. Fine soil creates the perfect home for young roots. Healthy soil is built long before the first seed is planted. Water brings life back to the forgotten land.
Grayad, great harvests begin with carefully chosen seeds.
The land is finally ready to grow its first crop.
Strong seedlings are the foundation of every productive rice field.
Only the strongest seedlings continue the journey. Modern technology brings speed and precision to every field. Every seedling is placed with care and purpose. The once empty land now begins to turn green. Precise water management protects every young plant. Balanced nutrition supports healthy early growth. Hidden beneath the water, new life takes hold. The transformation becomes visible across the entire valley. The first signs of a remarkable harvest have already appeared. The young rice plants now establish themselves across the entire farm.
Daily monitoring prevents small problems from becoming major losses.
Balanced irrigation keeps every field growing at the same pace. Careful nutrition strengthens the crop for the months ahead. Each leaf quietly transforms sunlight into future grain. Healthy fields require constant attention and timely care. The fields now multiply their potential with every new shoot.
Modern technology helps farmers protect every hectare. This system provides crucial data for our yield.
What was once abandoned now breathes with vibrant life. The transformation is no longer a promise. It is now growing before our eyes. The fields have entered their most vigorous stage of growth. Careful observation keeps the crop healthy from field to field.
Every application is carefully measured to maximize yield.
Healthy ecosystems help protect healthy harvests.
Every application is carefully measured to maximize yield.
Water remains the lifeline of every growing field.
Inside each stem, the future harvest is beginning to form.
Nature and careful farming now work together in perfect balance. The abandoned land has become a living landscape once again.
Halfway through the season, the transformation is already extraordinary.
The crop is entering the most important stage of its life cycle. Each emerging panicle carries the promise of thousands of grains.
Uniform flowering is a sign of excellent field management.
Water management now shifts to support grain formation. For a brief moment, every flower opens to create the next harvest. Careful attention keeps the harvest healthy until maturity. The fields begin changing color as the grains mature.
Perfect timing will protect both quality and yield.
The once forgotten land is preparing to reward months of careful work.
Harvest is now only days away.
Months of careful work have finally brought the fields to harvest.
Every successful harvest begins with perfect timing. It's exactly right, isn't it? Perfect! Let's tell him.
Modern machinery harvests thousands of grains every second.
Each pass across the field represents months of patient care. Freshly harvested grain begins its journey beyond the field.
Proper drying protects both quality and long-term storage. Every grain is carefully prepared before reaching the market.
The harvest leaves behind a landscape ready for the next season.
Modern farming is built on precision, planning, and teamwork.
What was once forgotten land has become one of the region's most productive farms. From barren land to fertile farmland, the transformation is now complete. Success comes from combining nature with thoughtful engineering. Every harvest marks the beginning of another growing season. Careful planning has transformed forgotten land into a source of life and prosperity.
Right. This remarkable transformation reminds us that with knowledge, patience, and sustainable farming, even the most